Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the YJ timer and Cubelelo mat. So let us look at the mat first. So it comes in this plastic wrap where it's open from one side, and this is a bigger version. There's also a mouse pad that is available. Okay. Now if you open it up, it's quite a big size of a mat. It can be also used as a mouse pad, so that's good. Yeah, there's nothing much to say over here. It's this thick. Let's just move on to the YJ timer. Now it comes in this box where it has Chinese all over it, which I cannot read. And there's tape over here, so I need to get my scissors out. Or I can I need to take my scissors out. Okay, so now I got the tape off. Why is it not coming out? Sorry guys for... Okay, it's a bit tight, but that's okay. Okay, now we got the timer out. Is there anything? Oh, there's a manual. And there's nothing in the box. Okay, now the manual, let me just check if there's anything important. Great. Hopefully I can read that. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so here's the timer itself. Let's take it out. Okay. Okay guys, so here's the timer itself. Now it's quite light. I had expected it to be this light. I just take the plastic off if I can. Oh yeah, okay, right there. The plastic is off. Now I don't think there's batteries in here. No, there's no battery. So I'll just quickly come and let me just check what type of batteries are. Yeah, they look like AAA batteries. So I'll just come getting my batteries. Okay guys, so let's just put the batteries in. So just... Okay. Now let's just close it. Let's see if it turns on. Right there. Let's try. Okay, now this is a save button. I don't know if it's kind of hazy, but there's a save button kind of picture. There's the power button. This is I don't know actually. This is a reset button. Let's just try the reset button. So that resets, and yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, this is my first TACMAT timer, so it's of course going to feel good. Let's see if I have any cube around here. Let's just take this one, which is my 3x3. Let me just do some moves. Now I've not felt any TACMAT timer, so I don't know how this will feel like. Why did it not start? Wait, let me just try again. Let me just move this mat back a little bit. Okay, like that. I don't know. Okay, wait. I need to get this in the camera. Okay, but the tripod is. Okay, I think that'll be good. I didn't even mix up the cube. Okay. Okay, let me just try. Yeah, I'll just do some more solves on it and see how it feels. Right now it just feels very good, as I've not tried any TACMAT timer till now. So it's probably going to feel like very good to me. But yeah, and I just I'm curious, is it going to go off after some time, or do I have to press this button? Yeah, okay, so it doesn't go off. You have to press the button to turn on and turn off. Let me just try what this button is. There's time 1, time 2. Okay, so this just shows how much time you got if you press the save button. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know. Wait. Okay, so when I press it, there's a red light and then there's a green light. After the green light, you can start the timer and put it, reset it. Now if I just do it like for 1 second and there is no green light, it won't start the timer, so you have to wait till the green light goes and then you can start. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Before you go, I just want to tell you, if you want to get 50 rupees discount, just email me that you want to buy something from Cubelelo and I'll send you a discount code which can get you 50 rupees off your entire order. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys next time.